Mom? 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 Mom?
Oh, it's just a dream. Her bonnet! She's back! What are we gonna do? Mom, she's back!
Who's back?
The wind-up doll!
What do you mean?
Well, she's back! Cause, in my dream you were wearing the same exact clothes, and I don't want you to get taken over, so we have to get her fast.
Whoa. What do you mean, taken over?
I don't want her to take you over, because in my dream you were taken over, and some of my dreams are actually true, and you were wearing the same exact clothes as my dream.
Really?
Yeah.
But how do you know it's the wind-up doll? Where was this?
In my bed.
It was in your bed?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah. You were taken over in my dream.
Oh, no, I don't want to get taken over again.
Mom, we have to get her fast and keep her safe. And,
Keep her safe?
And we have to just defeat
Keep
her.
me safe.
Yeah, we have to defeat her.
How do we defeat
I was
her?
already taken over by her.
I don't want no more takeovers, especially not before vacation.
Yeah, we're going to Disney. We don't want to be taken over in Disney.
No. We
It's the
won't
happiest place
remember.
on earth.
We won't remember any of it.
Come on, Mom. Let's go.
Come on, I gotta post to Instagram though.
No.
Really?
No time. This is more important.
I'm coming. All right, Carly, where did you see the doll?
At the start of the woods.
So right here, this is the start. At least we're not doing this at night.
Yeah. I mean, like at the start of the actual woods.
Oh, down here? I have this weird feeling I'm being watched.
Yeah, we're fine. Just come on.
What's our purpose again? We're gonna find her and yeet her into the pond?
Not exactly. We should be nice to her.
I thought you wanted to get rid of her once and for all.
Yes, but we have to do it nicely.
It's a dead dragonfly. Oop, never mind.
What are you waiting for?
I have a weird feeling about this.
The what?
My weird feelings are always right.
What? No. Do you think there's weird feelings?
Shh, what was that? I thought I heard something.
I'm kind of creeped out.
Kind of?
Not really. Wait, the trail cam would have saw her.
Not if she's too little. Good thing it's not working.
What? Really?
I think the batteries are dead.
I don't know. Just come on, this is where it starts.
Where did it start? Right here? What is that? Is that yours?
Mom, I was never that tiny.
For your dolls?
That's not mine. Don't touch it.
I want to take a look. What is that though? It looks really old.
Probably like 30 years old.
What?
Are you saying 30 years old is really old? So I say something's really old and it's 30 years old?
I don't know.
Really?
I don't mean it like that.
Okay, boomer.
I'm not old.
Are you saying boomers are old?
No.
What about Gen X's?
What's that?
That's me. Okay.
You're not old.
Ew, that looks really gross. I've never seen this before. All right. Should we leave this or should we take this?
Leave it.
Really? All right, well, why don't we just leave this here and keep going?
Exactly.
So what else in this dream? Do you remember where I was?
We stopped right around this area, and I was like, Mom, 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 and I tapped you, and you turned around and you were the doll.
Really? Not really sure where she is. We just keep our eyes open. What? What do you...
Look,
No, I wouldn't climb that thing. There's probably snakes living in there. Do you see anything? I can just go like this. I'm on top of the world.
How high do you think this is?
I don't know.
Right now?
IDK.
How high do you think?
3-4 feet. 3.5 feet.
That's not 3.5.
I don't know.
Like more like 5?
No.
4.
Hop down. Let's keep going here.
Ready? 3. You jump.
Careful, don't break your leg. What was that?
Ow, my knee hurts.
Shh, did you just hear that? I thought I heard laughing. Did you hear it?
No.
I think we're getting closer. What if this is a trap?
It wasn't a good idea to jump off.
What was that?
It was not a good idea to jump off.
Why?
My knee hurts.
I told you not to do that. If I did that, I'd probably break a hip.
How do you break it?
Shh. I hear that noise again. It sounds like giggling or something. I don't know.
It's a bonnet.
How did that get there? How? 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 She's... Did you see it?
What?
She's right there.
Friend.
Grab her! No, grab her. You get her.
Hello.
What should we do with her? Yeet her into the pond?
Go for it.
All right. Do you want me to yeet her?
No, it's my job.
She looks just as pretty as ever.
Mom,
Do you think yeeting her will work?
dolls hate one thing.
What?
Salt water.
Are you sure?
Yep, they hate salt
Our
water.
pond is not salt water.
Our pool is
Our pond is
fresh water.
fresh water.
Piranhas can live in there.
Oh, great. All right, let's go by the pond and yeet her. Something crazy is going on in the pond. What is that? Like the water is super crazy and ripply. What is that?
There's 2 of them.
What is that? A snake, is it?
It's going towards the boathouse.
Let's go to the boathouse and take a look. Then we'll eat. Then we eat.
Underneath the boathouse now.
There's still that weird movement in the water. I can't tell what's going on. No one better be coming for my baby turtles. all I gotta say.
There's for sure something in the water.
Yeah, I know, but I don't know what.
What is that?
I don't know what's going on. It's really weird. I don't see anything, but there's tons of something going on.
Minnows?
I don't know. I saw like a fish flip out of water. That's why I was like, what the heck?
Or like a snake?
I hope it's not a snake in there.
Not to freak you out, but I just saw something splash over there.
Yeah, so that's weird. Oh yeah, it's down there too. It's like it's coming towards us. What is that? I don't know. It's so weird. You can't tell. There's like right near where my finger is. There's all this weird motion in the water. And I don't know what it is. I don't know if there's a snake in there. Something's eating something. I don't know. All right, are we ready to yeet?
But we don't have
Go
to
get the
go.
girl. Go get the girl. There's fishies waiting. I didn't come to feed you guys. They're all here. There's danger in the water. Be careful out there. See, look at it. It's so weird. All right, ready? Josie, we're going to yeet you in the water. 1, 2.
Mom, wait!
What?
What if we cut her open?
Ooh, fabulous idea. Let's cut her open.
Yes. Guys, to be continued. Thanks for watching and make sure to subscribe. See you later. Bye!